Hey, second grade, it is vocabulary time. So for Violet's music, which is your story this week, you will have 8 vocabulary words. Number 1 is shake. Maracas make sounds when you shake them back and forth. What does it mean? If you shake something, you quickly move it back and forth or up and down. Number 2, smooth. This violin makes a gentle, smooth sound. It does not hurt your ears. What does it mean? If something is smooth, it is calm, gentle, and even. Number 3, hours. Learning to play an instrument well takes many hours of practice. What does it mean? Hours are units of time equal to 60 minutes. Alone. Playing alone or by yourself is very special. What does it mean? If you are alone, you are by yourself. Number 5, real. A real guitar is louder than a pretend guitar. What does it mean? If something is real, it exists and is true. Number 6, museum. This very old instrument is in a museum. Many people come to see it. What does it mean? A museum is a building in which people can see important objects related to art, science, or history. Number 7, nursery. A nursery or baby's room is a good place to play soft music. What does it mean? A nursery is a baby or a young child's bedroom. And lastly, Number 8, whenever. The music begins whenever. The conductor gives a signal. What does it mean? Whenever means any time or every time that something happens. Make sure you go back and you watch this video again if you didn't understand any of your vocabulary words. I hope that you enjoy the story.